"Hey coach, we have a big problem. We have applied Agile methodology like you said, but we have many problems to deliver quality to the client. The client never satisfied because the quality is very worse. We have many bugs on at each iteration. We have to do some rework." Okay, but do you work in extreme programming? What? Extreme programming? Ooh, sounds hard. What is it? Extreme programming is a genius method of working for the developer. So we will see what is it in this video. Hello everybody, T.Dy from Waterfall Consulting. So today I will give you all the secrets about extreme programming. Extreme programming, it's a software development method which intends to improve software quality and focus on the client needs. This method applies the Agile principles such as reactiveness, the change of scope, or delivery through small iterations, or priority to the quality of the software. So how to set up the extreme programming methods? This is what we're gonna see now. The client must be fully part for the project, so he has to be with the team, the developer team, and he can interact with them. So the developer can ask him some question about the purpose of the software or the purpose of his need, and the client can give to the team his feedback about the delivery through each iteration. Continuous integration. So the development team have to set up a system which integrate the component once developed directly in the final software. Integrating small part of each developer in the final product, in the final software, save you time for the entire integration, such we use to perform in the Waterfall Method. Unlike in Agile methodology, develop in a small iteration such as sprint of 2 weeks, for example, and focus on develop first an MVP, so very small features, and adapt it in the next iteration. Set up a test-driven design. What is a test-driven design? Test-driven design is you have to write to code automated test just before coding the feature. So first code the automated test, and normally it's gonna be wrong. The result will be wrong because you haven't developed yet the code of the feature. Next, develop the code of the feature and then execute again the test, the T.Dy. Normally this time the result of the test will be correct because you already write the code, but it's wrong, it's incorrect. You have to find the bugs and correct it before re-execute the T.Dy. Once your T.Dy result is correct, that means that your component can be automatically integrated in the final software. And that means that you are done your feature. T.Dy allows you to save time than write and execute manually all the tests. Collaborative engagement. Like in Agile method, the team have to make commitment by a collaborative way, not individually. Perform refactoring. What is refactoring? Each developer can modify and improve a part of the final code, or the part of the code, even if he didn't work on this part of the code before, in order to ensure quality of the software until the end of the project. You can perform pair programming. What is pair programming? Pair programming allows two persons, two developers, to work on one workstation. So there's one person who code the software, and the other person, what we call the reviewer, review each line of the code and propose optimization, detect some bugs, and resolve the bugs with his colleagues. So we can ensure the quality of the code until the end of the project and minimize the risk of the rework. Of course, after a definite time, the role of the two persons change. The person who codes switch into the reviewer, and the previous reviewer switch into the coder. Ensure a good pace of work. The working time is defined by the team, the entire team, and in this method we do not perform overtime working, because a developer who is tired is a developer who can perform well, who can produce well, would make some mistakes, some bugs, and the quality isn't ensured, and if there's not quality, the client is not satisfied. So it's not good for everyone. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like this. If this is the case, put some like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with this channel, put some comments right below, and I say you goodbye. See you next time.